So these two will do similar things oftentimes, Control-Alt-X, Control-Alt-C. So if I'm in a transaction and I'm in an invoice, again, I can stay away from the keyboard because if I'm navigating the form, I can go tabbing through it with the tab button. If I want to X out, instead of going out here, I could say Control-Alt-X. And do you want to leave without saving? I'm going to say yes. And I could just enter yes. And I could go in here again and enter an invoice and do a similar control. What if I tab through here? Tab. And I say Control-Alt-C. That's going to clear it. So that might not save the transaction, right? That's going to, we mistakenly went in there. That's almost like an undo, I believe, right? You can kind of undo or clear rather than Xing out. So this is exiting out, which is going to ask you if you want to record it. Whereas if you cancel out, you're saying, I didn't mean to go here. Undo, kind of get me out of here without. And then you got the save and new, save and close, save and send. So if we go into our forms here, like an invoice, those are typically the options down below where you have the drop down, save new, save close, save and share, or save and send. So instead of going down here and clicking this button, you can do it with a shortcut, save and new, save and close, save and send, and then you've got the good old print item. So those could be useful to kind of look into. What I would recommend doing is saying, where do I spend the most time in with the type of business that I'm in, and which of these shortcuts would be the most useful. The one shortcut that it's not like readily available, as easy just to get to, is this global search view, which gives you those recent transactions. So that one is one that I would definitely, think about and put into your practice if you need to look at those. Most of the other ones, like I say, I think are pretty readily available because of the well-designed web page format by using the mouse. But you might be able to get there a little bit faster, reduce a little bit of clicking time, and be impressive and whatnot by using some of these shortcuts. So you can check those out.